Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. Here we are on day 9 of our 2-step process of creating a miracle in your life. This is Earl Nightingale's 30-day test. We're on day 9. You have defeated the day 7 obstacle. A lot of people fall off at the 1-week mark where they say to themselves, I don't want to keep doing this, or this doesn't work, or I don't feel like taking out the goal card every day and reading it. It's such a simple 2-step process, but some people just do not have what it takes to stick with something like that. If you don't have what it takes to stick with something simple like reading a goal card and working hard for it, then you probably don't have what it takes to accomplish the goal. But I know that's not you. You're still here on day 9. You're working hard at it, and I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Every time you read that goal card, you are reshaping your mind. You are becoming a person who can see avenues around you that you never would have been able to see before. You can see ways to accomplish your goal that were invisible to you before. So stick with it and get to it. Step 1, write your goal down on a card and read it every day, many times a day. Step 2, work harder than you've ever worked before towards your goal. You are going to make it. I believe in you. You believe in you now. Let's get to it, heroes. Your world needs you.